Hey, we're still at the Alta West Gray, and I want to shout out about a floor plan that's here. So this is a 694 square feet floor plan. It's kind of cool. So I've walked in the front door. Over here is the bedroom, and my friend Jessica. Don't be hiding over there. She's here. She's on site. She's amazing. But yeah, look at this cute one bedroom, and this bedroom is really cool. I love the exposed concrete on the side and then on the top. It's really cool. So here's your bathroom. I love even in the closet, you've got that exposed concrete. That's really cute. Hey, you've got a fabulous walk-in shower here. And so, you know what I really love about this, Jessica, is just this whole, this bathroom is cute, but even in the bedroom, okay, like I have trouble going to sleep. So I love it when I don't have a lot of light.
Okay.
So this is, if you need a lot of privacy, this is a perfect floor plan for you. You're gonna have once the light's gone, you're not gonna see any kind of light. It's great. And then you can wake up and you'll be refreshed for the day. And then you can go into your beautiful living area and kitchen that's here. And this is just absolutely perfect because you got kind of the best of both worlds. You've got privacy in the bedroom, but then you go out and hey, you could have this kind of view where you're right on the pool. So this is amazing. This would be a great space. Me personally, I would have maybe a desk here to work and be during the day working, and maybe a light desk, and then you could have a couch over here, or you could have the TV over here. There's a lot of ways that you can work with this space. It's also wonderfully connected over here, so you can hear the music going. You can connect your phone to here. This is a really cute floor plan, so love it. Hey, if you want more information about this floor plan, reach out to us. It's uptown101houston.com, and then fill out a search request, uptown101houston.com/search. Jessica, what's the name of the floor plan?
Our A1 694 square feet.
A1.
Take a look at the summer gift basket we are offering.
Oh wow! So you get this?
Here. Yes, you do.
How cute!
Great wine, some floats for the pool.
Okay, that's so cute.
That's so good.
I love that. So you're going to get that free when you lease this at this time. So what a wonderful place. Hey, reach out to us, and we'll put you in touch most likely with Jessica. And you have a good day. Talk to you soon.